Zinapikwa na carrots. Some mokimos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is on Sunday, and we have this birthday thing that we have combined 4 people. My daughter, my sister's daughter, my brother and my sister, who are twins. So today is the day and I am cooking, or we are cooking, because it's like all of us together in the same in one house. This is my sister's house, by the way. It has some amazing lighting, right? Anyway, we are in the kitchen, but I thought to start the video right here. So if you're new here, karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, hi guys. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video and for choosing to watch my videos. So yeah, I already showered, by the way, in the morning, but now I just decided to wear, I just decided to wear easy the sizes za kupika and whatnot. Is that me? That's me. So yeah, let's go to the kitchen and start cooking. I'll be showing you bits and bits of this whole day, so it's more spend the day with me kind of a video. Hosting my sister, hosting me and my family for birthdays. Well, something of the sort. So yeah, let's go and start cooking. This is her kitchen. It looks a mess kidogo, but it's because we have so much that we are cooking that everything is out. Na hii tumechemsha maziwa na mawe huko nje, zile 3 stones. So, yeah. The chapos are here. Awesome, and they are carrots. Zinapikwa na carrots. Nice. Yum. And me, I want to cut the meat and the chicken. These are chicken. I'm drinking some coffee. Tunataka kuonekana. Say hi. Hi. Cheers. Okay. Okay. All right. Mnataka kusema hai? Si wewe. Nyawes. Hello. Coleslaw, guacamole. Ooh, I made this awesome. Then I also made this amazing. And then there are some curries. Oops. And there are chicken. And there is some pilau. And some mokimos. Some mocha pearls. And so, I made makeup. Very simple.
Hadi kuna lighting bado huko. Acha nionyeshe our neighborhood. Views.
Happy birthday! 27. This is 27. 27. Cheers guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe if you haven't, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. I hope you have enjoyed this particular one.